1, 2, 3. PS Nong Tisao Garden. Ada nasional ni. Motor mulai. Dale slam ni kam.
Slam ni.
Ada. Hai pat pibu ka jaga di sentiu juga pat.
Hai.
Motor ni.
Nak fusil dan nak tunggu.
Polsil wet. Ish. Gibut lagi sentiu jat mah.
Sama nak guna nama kerang dewan suang ni. Sakit 40.
Hai.
Ini tengah repi ngah petani. Kini kai.
Di.
Kini spa. Kini kikon kai. Kini sulit kini nak. Kini dijual. Dijual okey.
Nó thì ông sẽ kasih ông itu đậu màu đây đậu màu Pinang mo gini gila long wild gini juga
Tip kawan of Malaysia kan ni teh.
Oke deh trim
Ini tu makuat. Ini pantai.
Kamu kumuni video
Bet.
Lạ mau bên lẹm nhé
Hay yang ting adan. Hay yang ting adan behe.
Di.
Lada dan susu behe ngara. Kamu badi dan student tu black bag.
Layo jing stop kelpang berlek kan ni kau.
Ay blay tu mau kasap.
Bas. Tuh. Kuno. Ibu saya pat mau ngap hi. Kan? Nahi. Ile gini baro. Ini so Christmas video kan video. License point way. Gitu video kan no ibe.
Itu di asam po. Jadi di pancoba.
Jatuh. Oke. Gini. Ini si kau itu ni? Wei?
Tu
Honda ni.
Jumban na jowan.
Majuha. Ayo banteng tu. Khatar sang ni kan? First time to the.
Ini terus ya.
Terus yar mengatur Pakistan. Pakistan. Ini jingta ni pan mentasi ini cimprong balak kle dokha. Betul jam sekian tu. Di tangkum ni sama sepak tengkah. Damati Star Food Mulberry dry fruit lah. Hello.
To taste some coffee wine?
Which one?
Coffee wine, sir?
Sure. Why not? Passion Kinjai. Kinjai is your brand.
Yes.
Soy young
I'm sure
food.
you've
Soy.
heard of cafe, sir?
Where is it?
It's in
Motinagar.
Motinagar. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, right here is our coffee wine.
Okay. Never heard of coffee wine.
Of course, sir. You won't find it anywhere. Good, right, sir? So the coffee that you're tasting now, sir, it's from our own local farm in Monster.
Okay. Nice.
Grow our own coffee, sir. It's all local.
Really?
Coffee wine. Should I pour some more, ma'am?
Oh, just fine.
The even ma'am, the sweetness, no added sugar. It's
So
honey from UP. We get it from UP. So
Wow.
there's no sugar added here. Only maybe a small quantity.
coffee meat. So this is the one. Coffee meat, coffee meat,
Passion fruit meat.
wild
and
apple,
soya meat.
cider,
Added sugar again,
soy.
ma'am. Pure local wild food. Yes, sir. Should I pour the soya?
Soyang, yeah, I'll try. So how much a bottle?
Sir, these are our premium bottles. So per bottle will be 1,250.
Okay, okay.
The coffee wine that you had was 1,000 per
1,000. Okay. Do you have small bottles as well, or just
Small,
you
one?
don't have.
Okay.
It's quite small. It just looks sleek and
Yeah.
long, but
Yeah.
very small.
Like how many liters?
This one is 375 liters.
375. Okay, not that big.
But sir, because we're promoting local farmers, no?
Yeah.
That's why the prices tend to go a little high.
Okay.
Okay.
And of course, the process and we generate employment also. We, get
Yeah.
training.
After this is over, where can we find you?
Oh, of course, sir. We have our Kinjai Cloud Kitchen in Moti Nagar. If you just Google
Yeah,
it
Kinjai
also.
Cloud Kitchen.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. And
Where you
Sure.
put all the Korean.
Exactly, ma'am. So, of course, Kinjai, it was first a brewery. It started.
Okay.
First, they started with wine, then they, extended to that.
I like soyang. Yeah, good.
Soyang.
Good.
Yes. This one, sir, like, not all of them can get the same taste because of the
But
way
Soyang has got that.
Yeah.
It's quite stronger than passion fruit, no?
This one is much
What's the content of alcohol here?
only 12%.
12%.
If you want a little lesser also,
It's
then
there.
we have the wild apple cider. I don't know
Okay.
where it's placed. I'm not
Here.
sorry, you have to search.
We have.
Yes.
Apple
So
cider.
the alcohol content for that is only 7.
7%.
The others are all 12%.
Okay.
So I would really recommend ma'am personally this since she said that she prefers something smooth, something that
Yeah. Which is good.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we'll see later.
We'll see about it.
Really glad
Okay.
to have you.
I'm doing content, so I'm
acha.
gonna post this. Sure. No problem. Sophie Nam.
Oh, kasi sama.
Mulberry, we call it Sophie.
Sophie
also
Ini di Neski Wines. Are we?
Hey, kan dia dan ko? Một lần.
Sudah mau pulang. Okay.
Cheers po.
Mulberry, soyong.
Sebab tekan mina niya talakan.
Tak lihat. Kini di ke?
Sophie.
Sophie. Oh, best.
Pasay. Sophie nam kam strong ya kan dia.
Best. Kanu ini bitorin
Visit sauce pa, bahe news pa.
news pa. Oh, wehe, no?
Baru ay hindi doon kaju.
Dulu sopo kasi peach plum. Ah. Try itu deh Sophie nam.
Lupa deh. Jongpi.
Prakisi. Pila man mat. Ini Ma'am, pila man mat. Alin ay nga best wine. Good wines.
What is that?
This
This is wild apple. I give it to
wild apple.
Yeah. Give it to ma'am. This is wild apple.
Is it strong? Oh, strong na kung naman.
This cast strong wine.
Ini Kevel wine, no?
And this brand only on the local wine competition. This is okay. Green one. I have two types of it. This second one I give you wild apple.
This
Wild apple.
wild.
Just finish it. You want strong one or what?
Sugar added.
No sir.
This
Our
Milo.
brand is that we don't add sugar, we add natural.
Which one we have? A mild
Mild
taste.
one. Then you could go for mulberry. Any person can take it. I can guarantee it. That's why we want to local wine.
Okay.
Which do we go?
Wild apple.
Tanya persang kali ka. Wanja Sulia. Okay, kabyang hi kam na kain nama duna sini nai kam da thiang than ka ta. So, saya kita matter of preference mah menurut gua. Okay, for those who want these wines after this is over, where can they find you?
Where can we find?
You can find in shop, but not all the wine shop. But you can contact us in this number. We do home delivery also.
Ah, okay. So people, you can just need to contact these guys. Kevel Wine.
If you want good wines.
Sure. Lihat di hidur jong ki jaga hagati kasi jongi. Tem tang lit sha. Kam sa di room. Te kan lihat ka jengmut jangka winter tails hagari kasi jongi lagi pelai kan jengmut winter tails te kamut. Winter tails. Haka kadin kasi kamut. Bagi kana portlang afrai ke jengmut bagi sim gede namal ba portlang jui shong hajan ga ding hajan ga shaula bat jui ya tu kana ya por kisi ki ulalet ya por joki men hendai ki mi it ki pa it jui tu kana machwa ki im gumno ki le kai gumno Tengah ngô bagi thu khana sipang pon dai kan dei sipang kumnu ki le kai ka chu min chwa ban kumnu ki tek jing le kai yari jing le kai dar ki jing le kai jat pujat mo judan min chwa ta ki Her kat budi bat kum ta ta tiga long kumma ye kan mau ya por bamen shwa ni gediga exposure ya gini giba sama palle arts
of Meghalaya through the touch and talent of its people.
ini lari sha
Winter Tales prides itself on being mindful of sustainability without
yang ni
compromise.
nang bon susu
Keeping this in mind, the gathering strives for a natural and organic approach by using items such as bamboo and jute. Wherever a little bit about this year's theme, actively care for people.
Ba pila ban batay gani juga gani ka painting kamu diu
Ways of knowing, being, and
gani la
can flourish across
Lady
generations
Cliff
through
Stephen
hand,
Carpuli
heart, and every day.
gani ka jingmut yung kani
Now, Winter Tales
sebatay na pila ban i arts ni gi
hands cooking,
kidon gi bitran tran
carving,
gani ka balali sitam ba gani
it becomes a daily and also very, very, very
Try baru itip ke gini
art, food, as a nominated award.
gini pada gini ke pain hatrong haki sokti jacket bese baik gini dan segini ke live sketch pila bantip menu ini ni yang kemau menu sini
So the categories are as follows. Now, everybody likes music? I guess nobody likes music. Does everybody like music? Only those guys in the back like music. Whenever they're ready.
Company ni gặp yang ni điều đua chân ni na beria hey thì số tăng ka problem ni di tangka bayrung remplan bayrung lai spa marway nga so rem than thì cái ni na makla di chikai le gai khna girung na po tu play zone cosplay zone, youth zone, ke demonstration, Shillong cosplay, we art experience. Pak toilet tu kejon. Saya hab ya room tu dapo, saya lek kai sport. So, tadi ke entrance ni kum bakal jong ka cosplay. Tip ke day 6 day na. Saya cosplay kan sini. Tu, saya let pet kai don sini pak. Ini siang ya bungkam gatan. Ini ya tan Silia ni ya tan. Pilih you. Ya tan you mo? Shang. Ya tan shang ni pilih tan ke itu. Oh, jumbo kai. Lihat kini di kembang ya, senang jumbo kai. Ini kasih. Kini kepedi kembang ya, senang demonstration. Ya. Dan memiliki lingkot musim. Musim kini di kampung yang penting. Ada kilong shua menshua, kemudian bengin Cina. Kini di craft work, juga ki kasih. Balap penek penting. Ini di tang tausit. Ki penrit peningkat nah saya ngile ini usit kat benang im nyaman terlayak usit telah jenjar mah kun dekat benang im usit ya tan ni kemudian dah sebab Thailand pi pergi kong pilih ayo ni pilih ayo kini dibawa kah haji kang. Nah, kemana? Oh, ke mall ni. Okay. Oh, ke walls. Kelom ka frame. Oh, kami pergi ke sana kan ke frame. Interesting.
Minta ni ada training saya boy. Ting lawan lampu itu.
Wow. Sudah sebut bila ada ni. Jadi kat no apa? 42 pada ini.
Ini dah sudah training.
Okay. So kamu dah kam ke so? Tapi ya. Okay. Menu saya dia buat kerpang ikan.
Ni aku online.
Buat online mah. Di tang kapur padang sedang di ski try kalau kamsuk tu design mah kan ni kemudian ladangi pendai tu baru kan nak untuk je kemudian kan long tu ambil ke frame kini kisah nak support piai kerteng ke ni makrame oh
Fast people go away.
tak boleh sibun tak mah Ini ke pottery workshop di kini bagi syuan rang ni terus pergi gini mau pergi kendau bagi senang cosplay community so these are the things Ah, ini karakternya drawings painting. Poster somehow like. Okay, thank you. Ini kah cosplay section. Dan negara ini Jepang. Kemudian perda apa dan play. Tapi ya lima ni perda. Jangan ini page po. Cosplay. 1, 2, 3. Wow, kenat le tak dari China, dari Jepang, dari Korea. Jadi kita dari Korea selong. Oh sorry, dari Jepang. Badut ka cosplay. Cosplay area. Dengan kasna saja.